Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kutte, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, JMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss vibrational core structure, and now this lecture we will discuss vibrational analysis of band system. In the energy scale, taking the minimum of potential energy curve as a zero, the vibrational term E mu is given by E bracket mu is equal to V plus half into bracket V bar E minus mu plus half bracket square V bar E x E plus mu plus 1 by 2 bracket Q V E y E plus dash dash. In vibrational analysis of spectrum of band system, the energy of V mu 0 is equal to 0. Vibrational level is taken as 0. That is, in the modified system, vibrational term E0 is equal to half V bar E minus 1 by 4 V bar E x E plus 1 by 8 V bar E y E is taken as 0 and modified vibrational term written as E0 bracket mu, then E0 mu is equal to mu V bar E minus V mu V square x E V bar E minus mu x E V bar E plus mu cube y E V bar E plus 3 by 2 mu square y E V bar E plus 3 by 4 mu y E mu E. Mu is equal to mu bracket V bar E minus x E V bar E plus 3 by 4 y E V bar E plus that is this term. Mu square x E V bar E minus 3 by 2 y E V bar E plus that dash bracket complete plus mu cube into bracket y E V bar E plus dash dash. Now next term V bar V mu into V bar 0 minus x0 V bar 0 mu square plus y0 mu bar 0 y cube plus dash dash, where V bar 0 is equal to V bar E minus xe V bar E plus 3 by 4 y V bar E plus x0. Next term x0 V bar 0 is equal to xe V bar E minus 3 by 2 y E V bar E plus dash dash. Next term y0 V bar 0 is equal to y E V bar E plus dash dash. In the modified term, the wave number of spectral line can be written as V bar V dash V double dash is equal to V bar 0 0 plus E dash 0 mu bar is equal to E double dash 0 bracket mu dash. This term will be right in this diagram. This diagram is symbol used in vibrational analysis of band system, where V bar 00 is the wave number of 00 band. To get information from the observer spectrum, the assign of V dash, mu dash and mu double dash value to band in the band system has no done first. The wave number of each of the mu dash and mu double dash band are taken arranged in the form of refer table. In the table, wave number of each band is given on the basic equation, that is last equation. Hence the practice in experimentally observe wave number of each band, enter the wave number separation of two successive vibrational level in the electronic state given by E0 bracket mu plus 1 minus E0 bracket mu, and is called as first difference, denoted by delta E mu plus 1 by 2. Using equation gives delta E is equal to mu plus half is equal to V bar 0 V bar 0 x0 minus x0 2 x0 V bar 0 mu. In deriving equation, higher order term has been neglected. The first difference can be obtained subtracting mu dash value from the mu dash value vertically below it by the subtracting horizontal number in V double dash column from the ones in the previous V double dash column. Thus delta E dash half is obtained by the subtracting V dash is equal mu dash is equal to 0. The value from mu dash is equal to 1 value vertically below it. For value of delta E dash half would be possible and their average taken delta E dash half by the similar produce delta E dash is equal to 1 half and delta E dash is equal to 2 1 half and delta E dash is equal to 3 half. Also estimate. Thus the value of delta E double dash half is obtained the subtracting horizontal number mu double dash is equal to 1 column from the 1 mu double dash is equal to 0 column there means delta E is 1 half. By the similar proof delta E is equal to 1 half, delta mu double dash is equal to 2 1 half and delta E double dash 3 half are also estimated. According to this equation, the similarly delta E double dash V plus half against mu would given minus 2x double dash 0 V bar double dash 0. From this value x0 dash V bar dash 0 and x double dash 0 and V double dash 0 can easily obtain. Substituting this value equation above and neglecting term from ye, the value of xe dash and V dash E, x double dash E and V bar double dash E can be evaluated. The second difference delta square E bracket mu plus 1 defined by the delta square E mu plus 1 delta E mu plus 1 half bracket delta E minus delta E bracket mu plus 1 half can be used. Check the assign. Substituting in equation gives delta square E mu plus 1 is equal to bracket V bar 0 minus x0 V bar 0 minus 2x0 V bar 0 bracket mu plus 1 bracket complete minus V bar 0 minus x0 V bar 0 minus 2x0 V bar 0 mu that is equal to 2x0 V bar 0. If the analysis is correct, the second difference of lower electronic state should be also lead to the sum value for minus 2x0 double dash V bar 0 double dash as that obtained from the first difference. Similarly in the case of upper electronic state. Now in this lecture we will discuss vibrational analysis of band system. Thank you so much.